Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So today the topic which I am going to explain is multiplying a decimal number by another decimal number. Okay, so now let's start. For example, a number is given 5.2 multiplied by 6.1. Now as you can see, both the numbers are having decimal. There also and there also. So let's start. Here you must have noticed that while I am writing these numbers for multiplication, I am not writing the decimal here. So this is exactly what you have to do. Okay, so while you multiply the numbers, you just multiply them like we used to do. Simply, we will not consider the decimal numbers when we will multiply them. Just simply multiply them like we used to do all the time. Let's see. 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31. So now let's do the addition. So the answer of this multiplication which I got is 3172. But now is the time when we have to put the decimal. So now again we will go back to the question. So in my question, the first number have one place decimal. The next number is also having only one place decimal. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2 places decimal. Total 2 places decimal I have. So when we will come back to the answer, we will always start from the ones place. Okay, because in mathematics whenever we are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication also, we always start from the ones place. Then we go to tens place, then thousand, then 100,000 and so on. So this is 3172. Now starting from the ones place, my ones place is 2. Total 2 places decimal we have to put. So 1, 2. Here will be my decimal. Okay. So some students I have seen, they used to count from the starting of the number, which will be completely wrong. Always start from the ones place. Now let's do one more. For example, the number is like this. 223.6 multiplied by 1.31. So again both the numbers have decimals. Let's first do the multiplication like as it is. Now we will start the multiplication. 1 6s are 6, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2 and 1 2s are 2. 3 6s are 18, 1 carry. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 2s are 6. Again 1 6 are 6. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2 and 1 2s are 2 again. Now we will do the addition. 6 will come down. 8 plus 3 11. 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. Now 1 carry here. 9 2. So this is my answer of this multiplication. Now I will write 292916. But now I have to look for the decimal, that where will be my decimal. Let's go back to the numbers. So there, this is one place decimal. Here is 2 places decimal. So total becomes 3 places decimal. 3 place decimal it becomes. So now let's starting from the ones place. 1 2 3. So here will be my decimal number. Okay, 1 2 3. Here will be my decimal number. So my answer will be 292.916. So this is the way we put the decimal in the multiplication. I hope you all have understood. Thank you so much students, and keep practicing mathematics, and do not get discouraged, because the more you do mathematics, the more you will be able to solve the problems. Thank you so much. Have a great day.